Hey everyone, Levi Senak here with Lakefront Living Realty Missouri. Today we're on the 2.5 mile marker with this lakefront home, 3 bedroom, 3 baths, turnkey, ready for you to move right in. The main living area here on the first floor walks right out into your own personal sunroom. Come on outside and let's take a look. This is one of my favorite rooms of this home. 180-degree views in your screened-in sunroom provides an elevated view of your Martini deck, which is grandfathered in, as well as your own dock with a bar. It also gives you main channel views year-round, and did I forget to mention, this property is rentable.